Morning, sir.
Respected guests, Honorable Dr. Ahead, dignitaries of the dais and colleagues, the faculty members sitting over here, and all the youth who gathered here for a celebration of an international youth day. Might be having confusion in your mind because in the month of January we celebrate the National Youth Day. The title for the day is National and International. Itself is discriminating that the two are different. Today's day is celebrated internationally for the youth, and on 12th of January we are celebrating the National Youth Day, that we are having great legacy of Santas, and one of them, Swami Vivekananda, who had given a philosophy to the world to live, and he had first say about the youth that the future is always in the hand of the youth. The scenario today is, as one of your friends, she nicely narrated, we are having technology, we are having infrastructure, we are having resources. We are gifted by the natural resources that our country is having, the most balanced environment. If you just look at the other countries around the world, either they will be having a very low temperature areas or they will be having very high temperature areas. The location, geographic location of our country, we are having almost all the natural resources available in the country, and the environment is balanced. But today's advantage is, when we go for census of any country, we conclude with certain things, and our census tells us that we are having the maximum population, that is of the youth, and which is the easiest for our country. So it is going to tell you about what are the his experiences about motivating the youth, what you people can do, what is in your hand, and how you can drive the entire system, entire development of the country and society around you. On this occasion, I welcome Sir for this celebration of the International Youth Day. I know him from so many years. He's one of my good friends. Now he used to share me about the things that are happening. On this occasion, I would just like to add out one thing to you people. We belong to the technical profession as a one of a technical education institute. Many of us are not going to look at what is the scenario of technical education in our country and what is the philosophy behind it. We never give thought to that to see what makes a difference between a certification at ITI level, a diploma level qualification, and an award of a degree as an engineer. We are having a 3-tier system: ITI, diploma, and then the graduation. When a thought is given that how we can build our future and how we can have the technological development in India, a thought is given to what kind of manpower is required and at what level we should give the best outcome. So all the working hands, those who are actually involved in producing the technology, see the word I use, producing, that is all those who are the ideas, those who are working on the shop floor, and their skill gives the final touch-up to every gadget what we people are using and what we are having in our hands. So give thought to this what should be the manufacturing processes, where to have a quality testing, where to check out the product for the intended outcome. It is to be carried out by the one who is a diploma officer. And giving thoughts to the product, designing the product, and innovating the product. Every time, instead of having only the intended function, putting value to the product, this thought process will be carried out by the graduate engineers. So, the entry level where all the thoughts which are there in the minds of the engineer and those who are designing the product and trying to put that this will be a product can be made applicable or useful for the society. It will be in the form of a prototype or testing when the graduate engineer works on it. The functionality testing will be carried out by the diploma holder, and finally the finished product, it is in hands of those who are working at the shop floor, and those are the idea trained people. Many times we will say that we are not knowing what is exactly technology inside it. We will comment on it that we don't know. Being an electronics engineer, it is difficult for us to do the soldering and desoldering of the component. And you feel a lot trouble in your minimals and major components. The people who are trained in idea, they are used to do these things, and they are the practicing engineer over there. And sir was a principal for the idea for more than 25 years, who trained not many idea students and he implemented not many innovative things in the idea. If you get a chance to visit a government idea, it is located on a Trambak Road in Nashik. Go and do visit and see what the innovative activities these people are doing. You will surprise that what is happening in the institutes, those who are training, the very preliminary or the entrance level technicians, those who are working for the technology development and the product development. That is having a vast experience to taught these persons, those who are working in the shop floor. His interest to interact with the student made him to have an interaction with the engineering colleges, the polytechnics, and he used to visit the polytechnics, engineering colleges, ITI in and around Nashik, and if I am not wrong, he visits the other institutes in Maharashtra also. He is having a lot of experience in that. Today, you are having a work person to share his experiences about the different organizations, institutes, and what is the role of youth in the development. I hope you people will take the benefit of this and you will enjoy each session. Each session will be very interactive. It will not be a monotony. Each sessions are always a dialogue, and that is what your participation is expected in this session. Once again, I welcome you on behalf of the students, staff, and the PVG Institute of Engineering and Management, and on behalf of the PVG Trust. Welcome you, sir. Thank you.